Hey, what's up, everybody? Big Cav here, Cheap Reviews. So, what we have here today is we got some power ratchets. Okay, I don't even know how they would describe this. They just describe it as a ratchet. Awesome. So, I've got other sizes. I Milwaukee has it from 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch, and no, not a 3/4, just all the way up to 1/2 inch. But I picked these two because it's a 3/8. They're both 3/8. So to give you a little bit of comparison. So this one is the Earthquake XT Extreme, I guess is what they call it, Earthquake XT. And then the one above it is the Milwaukee Fuel M12 3/8 ratchet. Okay. So first thing we're going to do is do a length comparison. Here, once camera girl come up, when we get a dead on, let's see if we can do this dead on to give them an, yeah. All right, so the M12 is considerably shorter, but what I really want you to look at is this head. Okay. You got both heads in the frame. There we go. Okay, so this head here on the Milwaukee is extremely huge. I mean, look at my finger, man. It's huge. That's 3/8 of an inch. So that gives you an idea how big that is. Now, come over here to the Earthquake. Let's turn that a little so you can see. Look how much thinner that is compared to it. Here, let's do this. Now, they seem like they're the same height. Let's see if I can get this. Okay. But here's where it really comes into play. Okay. Here's where it really comes into play. Watch this. Now do it straight up and down. Look how much huger that Milwaukee head is over the Harbor Freight. Yeah, look at that. I mean, you're trying to get into a tight place with these. I mean, that's going to get in way easier than this big, huge one right here. So they have similar construction as far as, like, you know, stop ring holding them in and all that other. Good anvils on both. Here, let's stand these up. Okay. Go to the other side real quick. Let's see if we can do this. Okay. So, these are both 12 volt. I believe this is, oh my gosh, I can't remember how many foot-pounds this is. I want to say 45, 50. And this one is comparable, about the same. Now, weight-wise, they're really close to the same. I like both for their own reasons. This has got a really long handle, and when you having a big hand, you need to get in there and you need to torque something, you know, break a bolt loose or break a nut loose. This has it. Now, I also know that their construction inside comes down a little bit into this handle, and so this it isn't just all plastic that you're just torquing on. Whereas the Milwaukee, I'm 90% sure, I haven't torn this one apart yet, but I think the metal, like the actual, what you can torque on, stops like right here. Okay, so this is all motor and plastic and everything else that you're just torquing on. So there's one. So I like the yeah, power tools, gotta play with them. Both of them. This one does not have a light to see what you're working. This one, the Milwaukee, does, and it comes in handy, but not necessary. This one does not have a gas meter on it at all, so you have no real clue where you're at power wise. The Milwaukee, it does have one built into the tool. I'm not a big fan of that. I prefer it on the battery, but I kind of get it with this. But I like the positivity of the trigger, and it's got, you know, it's pretty quick. You know, sorry for being so loud, but so yeah. Switch on the bottom for forward and reverse. It's also got a lockout. Or sorry, that's not for forward and reverse. That's for the lockout. Real positive feel on the reverse. This one here, there is no lockout for the trigger. It's a little bit slower, but yeah, it's got pretty good. It's got a lot more positive feel on the reverse lever. This one sticks up a little bit, whereas the Milwaukee is pretty darn flat. So again, you got big fingers. It's a little hard to get in there, but this one is really easy. I will tell you that the Milwaukee battery, pound for pound, now this one is a 2 amp hour battery. I have the upgraded 3 amp hour battery in this one. This one came as, oh no, it jumped all over the place. This one came as a set. So you get the tool, a battery, and the charger. I can't remember the price. Milwaukee is tool only, so you have to buy the battery separate, and you can do a battery combo pack and get a little bit of a deal. 2 batteries and a charger for, I think it's like $100. But again, tool only. And it came in like a little cheesy cardboard box. Whereas this came in I believe it was a blow molded case. I might be wrong. But as far as the Earthquake goes, great price. I remember being significantly cheaper. And that's my dog going ham. So, need to get into tight places? Earthquake. Just good old solid reliability. Do Milwaukee. Got the 1-year warranty on the Earthquake. Got the 5-year warranty on the fuel. Again, 1-year warranty. I can walk in, exchange it, no problem, no issues. Milwaukee, even though they have a longer warranty, I gotta send it in, and I lose my tool for whatever amount of time it takes for them to fix it or replace it. So, yeah, that's where I'm at. All right, like, subscribe, hit the stupid little bell thing, wherever that thing is, and see you on the next one.